So guys, we will be changing a caliper on a Nissan Pathfinder. First thing first, we have to take out the lug nuts, so we're gonna do that. Next thing what we're gonna do is set up our jack and lift up the tire. So let's do that. So this is our caliper. We're gonna take the caliper out with the bracket. So we will use number 19 socket to open up the caliper in the bracket in the back, and we're gonna remove this hose as well. So we'll tie up the hose like that so it don't leak, and now we can take out the caliper. Right, so we can also remove this caliper from here. So this is our new caliper, and we're going to install the bracket as it is over there, and then we'll just open up these to install our brake pads in there. It's always good to add oil in the caliper before you install. This way you have oil in there. Remember to do that. Process is the same, you just reverse. Best thing is to put number 19 threads in first, and then we open up this, install our brake pads, then keep on with the job. Just my way of doing it. You can do it differently if you want. Gotta make sure you install the caliper, mount the caliper first, and then you open up and install the rest of the stuff. That's done. Now we're going to install the brakes. So you open up one side. Now we have our caliper up here. And install our stuff. So you gotta put on these holes right here. See these holes right here on the top on the pads? Right there, you gotta put these pins in there. One on the top and one go on the bottom. Alright. And then put your caliper back. Carefully. That's it. Next thing we're gonna go do is to tighten it up. Next thing we're going to do is to put our hose back in where it belongs. We're going to use the new bolt and the washers. So one washer go on top like this. One go on the top. One is going to go on the bottom like this, okay? Like that. And just install.